Micah, why do you like working at Community Automotive?
Oh, geez. I like working on all the cool cars, seeing all the cool stuff, like the old Porsches and classic cars and fast cars, and that's all I'm about. So.
Nice.
I like that every day brings something new. You never know what kind of crazy car is going to come in next.
It's taken seriously, and I get to work on things I've never worked on before.
I love working on these cars,
Yeah.
and I need a paycheck.
Are never having lack of work, staying busy 24/7.
Gotta be the view, the cemetery.
Let's hear the view of the cemetery.
There you go.
There it is.
Looking at the cars we work on.
Ah, there you go.
We got some nice cars that we work on.
Yeah.
Audis, Volkswagen, mostly my beautiful.